Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to find your latitude and longitude with Google Map. So let's get started the video. Open Google Map. Now zoom on the location and just hold the finger on it to drop a pin. Now slide up this button menu and here you can see the latitude and longitude. If you want to copy these coordinates, just click on it and it's copied to clipboard. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.